Hi all. So finally, the budget 2026 has been concluded. So with the lines of sustained growth and fiscal discipline, public investment, export-oriented budget, we can say, or it is in the lines of increasing the capacity of domestic manufacturing so that we can have less dependency on imports, monetary stability. So right from fiscal deficit keeping at 4.4% and GDP growth at 8.2%, and GDP to debt ratio is making it to 55%. So this is all about fiscal and monetary prudence they are talking about, and they are addressing the issues like having more export oriented budget and manufacturing, and lot of capex has been almost 12.2 lakh crore has been sent to towards capex investment. Either it is infrastructure, ports, they're talking about semiconductors, as well as the airports and seven rail corridors. So much of infrastructure spending they are talking about, as well as education and employability. So we are having so the major concentration is revolving towards to the sectors which are beaten up by the Trump tariffs of 50%. Either it is textiles, semiconductors, either it is pharma. So all these sectors are given a lot of limelight where it has been beaten up by Trump tariffs. So apart from that, they are talking about accelerating the growth path for future generations, or on corridors of rare earth mineral. They are trying to set up in states like AP, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. So these kind of they are talking about few things on rare earth mineral corridors, and so new concepts are coming out, came out in this budget. But we can say that it is really not so popularistic, but on the accelerating on the growth in a different phase. They're talking about cloud computing business. So they are giving up to 2047. They are giving some tax free to the foreigners who are wanted to take these cloud computing via Indian policies. So much of on a new era it has been, we can say, the new era, which is not so much popularistic on the budget. So but the markets have taken very negatively because the STT has been increased on the futures and options, and there is a buyback taxation they are talking about, and there is no trimming on or rationalization of capital gains, which is very much disappointed. Of course they wanted to punish the trading, so they have increased the STT, but where is the incentivizing the people who are investing for the longer period, either in the form of increasing the capital gain limit up to for 1.25 lakh to 3-4 lakhs, or they can roll back to 12.5% to the 10%. And then there is no talking about why the rupee is falling where entire the world is appreciating towards dollar, why India is depreciating towards the dollar. They have not addressed these issues, and the issues like FIIs, continuous selling of FIIs for past 1.5 year, like with almost 5 lakh crore, it's almost taken out from that, and rupee depreciation. So many key observations which have not talked about. So this is overall a futuristic budget, we can say. So let's hope this all new capex has given into growth and with sustainability and the fiscal prudence. So that is my take on this budget. Thank you so much for watching.